Bitcoin miner CleanSpark shifts to neutral in JPMorgan's ratings. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. The major Wall Street investment bank JPMorgan has adjusted its price targets and ratings for several Bitcoin mining stocks, including CleanSpark and Riot Platforms. The adjustment in ratings came in response to the recent surge in Bitcoin's price and the hash rate of the Bitcoin network, along with relevant news specific to each company, according to a research report released on Friday that was reported on by CoinDesk. Given the 12% increase in Bitcoin prices and a 2% rise in the network hash rate since the bank's last review, JPMorgan raised the spot BTC price used in its calculations to $44,000 from $38,000. At the same time, the bank also increased its baseline network hash rate assumption to 485 A/s, up from 475 A/s during the last review. The Bitcoin network's hash rate has trended up throughout 2023 and stood at 470 A/s at the time of publication on Monday. In the updated assessments, JPMorgan downgraded CleanSpark, which is listed on Nasdaq with the ticker CLSK, to a neutral rating from overweight, lowering its price target on the stock to $8 from $9. The bank justified this move by highlighting that CleanSpark shares had surged over 130% in the past month, reaching what the bank considers fair valuation. Conversely, Riot Platforms saw an upgrade from underweight to neutral, accompanied by an increased price target of $12, up from $8. Meanwhile, JPMorgan maintained its overweight rating on Iris Energy Iron, emphasizing its status as the top pick in the sector. The bank also raised its price target for Iris Energy to $9.50 from $9. JPMorgan optimistic about Bitcoin ETF. Back in October this year, a JPMorgan report by analyst Nikolaos Panagurtsoglou reiterated that the SEC will likely approve multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs within 2023 and warned that the SEC is likely to be challenged in court if it decides to reject the ETFs. We believe that a new legal battle on the issue of spot Bitcoin ETF approval is not something that the SEC would be willing to face again, Panagurtsoglou said at the time. In the past, Bloomberg intelligence analysts Eric Balchunas and James Seyffart have stated that they believe there is a 90% chance of an ETF approval by the SEC by January next year. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals img id equals newsletter pop-up img.